Hi everyone, Angie's here, Holly's here again as well. And today, with it being Freedom Friday, it means I can come on and talk about anything that I want to talk about. And today I'm going to be talking about aromatherapy, and in particular an acupressure facial that you can do to help you feel good for the weekend. I like to do this once every couple of weeks at least, and it always makes me feel good as well because aromatherapy can make you feel better, and the acupressure facial as well works on your whole energy systems of your body, so it helps you feel much more relaxed and de-stressed as well. So to get started then, I'm going to show you what the first thing is that I use, and it is sweet almond oil. I get this from a place called Holland and Barrett in the UK. I know it's worldwide, Holland and Barrett, so you might have it near you, but you can get it, it's called a carrier oil. You can get this from, any health food stores, things like that. This one says it's softening, nourishing, and it usually says on there, so this one says massage and skincare oil. So you want to look like a massage oil, which is what we put the aromatherapy, the essential oils into. And you can't put essential oils neat onto your skin because they could burn and irritate. So that's why we always need to put them in this. And it also helps you to be able to get the lubrication on the skin and massage. So you can do this for your body as well as your face, but I'm just going to be concentrating on the face today, okay? Because I know that sometimes that feels really, really nice to have a facial. So you can either do it for yourself or get someone to do it for you, if that's nice. Because with all these social distancing things going on at the moment. So I use frankincense essential oil and geranium as well, and I put a few drops in. You only need a few drops of each into the carrier oil. Now, if you're pregnant, consult your medical practitioner before you use essential oils, or if you have epilepsy or any medical condition, or you're taking any medication, check with your doctor first just to make sure you can use essential oils because they are very potent, all right? I personally wouldn't use any oils if I was pregnant or thought I might be pregnant. And again, watch them around pets and children as well. So this one, frankincense, is really, really good for more mature skin. It helps to soften it and get it feeling more radiant, and it also has effects of making you feel more relaxed and comfortable as well with frankincense. Okay, geranium, which I love, is great at balancing hormones as well. So it's good if you're menopausal or coming up to menopause. It's got a lot of effects, and it's like uplifting as well. It uplifts you, so it makes you feel really good. So what I like to do is, first of all, I take off this top like that. If you're just doing your face, and then just put enough drops in just to fill this, okay? You don't need much if you're just doing your face. And then I would usually put like about 3 drops of frankincense in, 3 drops of geranium, and then just mix it, and then just dab it all over your face, okay? Now, it really does make your face really, really oily, so I only do this. Sometimes I'll have a bath once a week and then put it before bed, and then do it in the bath, leave it on overnight, and then it'll be a night when maybe I've not washed my hair because it'll make your hair greasy as well. And then in the morning, then you can wash your hair and take it off, what's left of it, all right? So I'm not going to do it now because I don't want to have an oily face all day, but I'm just going to show you what to do for the actual acupressure. So you're finding the natural acupressure points in your body, okay? So the first place to start is there's like 2 batteries, so I hope it doesn't go off. There's 2 little dints in your head, so I'm going to rush through this quickly. So you just do circular movements, okay? And I like to use my middle finger. Then you move down, and you've got like just in the eyebrow, where the eyebrows start, just in near the nose, circle there. Move across to the middle, circle there, and then to the ends of your eyebrows, circle there. Then underneath your eye socket, where you can feel like a bone there, circle there. And then there's a bit by your nose, and you're just sort of circling and moving, lifting down your cheeks, okay? Then you get by your temples there, there's 2 sort of little dents there, and this is really good if you have migraine headaches or stress. Move down till you find the next sort of indent there in the side of your cheeks. Then I like to use the thumbs there. There's like some more indents just underneath your chin. We're nearly done. I hope the battery doesn't die. Then your philtrum, you can use your little finger on the philtrum just to go like that. Then just underneath your bottom lip, there's like a little dent there. Circle that. And then just, again, under your chin, circle there. Then you can just use your fingers to tap all over your face. And then you're done. So I'm going to finish this quick before my battery goes, and I'll see you soon. Have a great weekend. Bye for now.